Hello, Anurag.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm doing good. So let's start off with introduction. I'll start first. My name is Khushi Sethi. I'm currently pursuing BA Honors Journalism from Delhi University. I'm 19 years old and I'm working as a freelance content writer as well as a communication teacher with Wrestling at the moment. And I'll be taking your session for today. Can you give me a brief introduction about
Okay.
yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Anurag Singh, and I am from Gwalior City, Madhya Pradesh. And I have done my graduation, and currently I'm working with a private company. Thank you.
Okay. So you're working with a private company. What kind of work do you do?
Yes. I'm working as a cashier.
That's great. Okay. So
Yes.
we are
Thank you.
going to discuss an interesting topic, and we are going to differentiate between private jobs versus government jobs. Okay. I want to know what is your opinion on both, and which one would you prefer if you get a chance to choose one out of it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let's begin.
Okay. Okay. First of all, thank you very much for giving me such a beautiful topic to talk on. And yes, it's a very important topic for today's student or today's generation. So I would like to share my point of view on this topic. Uh, Firstly, I would like to tell you that for me, both jobs are good, means government jobs and private job also. But
The
uh,
important.
I prefer if I get yeah if I get chance I will prefer private job. But before that, I would like to explain my point of view on both jobs, government and private jobs.
Sure.
Okay, so as I know, you can say 60 or 70% of the people in India, they like government jobs.
Okay,
Why they like government jobs? Just because there is a the one point that is very strong is mm, job security
yes.
in government jobs. Most of the people they join just because of job security, whereas in private sector there is less job security. Okay, I agree, but here I would like to add a point that you know when you have okay, there is less job security, but you have a fear of losing job in private sector. So that thing makes you to do more hard work, to do to always keep thinking on your skills. So this thing made you strong somewhere. So this is first point. Now the second point, why people like government job, that they get more perks, more facilities, but whereas in private sector they do not get that much of facilities or perks. Just because, but here I would like to, sorry.
What kind of perks and facilities do people get?
Okay, in government sector, like they get many type of allowances, and like they get wages, oh sorry, allowances for the house, for the transport, medical facilities.
Basically, they get a lot of
So
monetary benefits.
okay, monetary benefits, yeah. In
Anything
government
that is
sector they
related
get
to money.
lot of, yes, yes. Whereas in private sector they get less perks. So but in my point of view, in private sector they also get good facilities, like they get like foreign tour, and another thing, if we compare with government jobs, you will get, if you get any tour, that it will be maybe around in India. You will not get any tour for the foreign country. But in private job you have opportunity to go foreign country as well.
And what about people who work in IFS, Indian Foreign Services, or who work in Ministry of External Affairs? They are They come under part of uh,
Yeah.
in Indian government jobs, and they still
y-
get to go out of India. So, what about them?
yes, you are correct. Some of, I'm not saying majority of the people, but in government job, if you are at the higher post, then only you have chances. Means there are less chances to go for an on a if you are working on a normal post like a clerk level or constable level, then you cannot go, you cannot get the foreign tour. But in private sector, you have means lots of opportunity to, means you will get chance to go foreign tour.
On foreign tour.
And because,
And but what
yes, I
about
have seen man.
what I've seen is that you said that people get a lot of monetary benefits in government jobs. But I have seen
Yes,
that people who work in private sector are able to earn more than people in government sector. Isn't it true? If you
yes,
talk about the
yes,
salary of
ma'am,
an IAS officer and the CEO of a company, who earns more?
yes, ma'am, you are correct. But when we compare that, yes, you are comparing IAS officer and a CEO of the company. Yes, it's okay. But when we do comparison, we should always think that, if we a government constable and you are if you compare with the private job, then it will be equivalent to the, security guard of a private job. So somewhere it also makes different. So we should see uh, the post
More.
which we are talking about.
True.
Yes, so I agree with your point that in private sector there are more chances, more scope that you can earn lots of money. There is no limit of money,
Very.
but in government sector there is a limit of money. Yes.
And if you had to choose one job, which one would you choose?
Yes, I would like to choose private job, because where I get the chance to enhance my skills. It may be communication skills or my professional skills, and I have a responsibility. I have a, you can say, little bit work pressure, so that I can do my best day by day, and I will become more experienced and more perfect.
So, do you think there is no work pressure in government jobs, handling the responsibility of an entire country or of a state or a district?
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible to you?
Yes, you are. I'm saying,
Okay. Okay.
just a second. Please continue.
Okay. So as I said that if I get chance, I will select private job, because where I can enhance my skills like communication skills or my professional skills, and means there I have a responsibility that I will do more and more work, and I will become perfect every day. Means I will better every day.
Okay, so you will try to progress and improve in your professional life if you are in a private job as compared to a government.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great, Anita. Great session. Okay, so do you have any questions for me? Anything that
Okay,
you
the
did
same
not
question.
agree upon? Like, I also shared my viewpoint. Anything that you did not agree upon, or anything that you would like to add your point to?
Yes, ma'am. Uh, very first, I would like to ask you, means if you get a chance, what would you like to prefer, a government job or a private job?
I choose a government job because of, yes, job security. First of all, that's very important. And other than that, I also feel that I might be able to make a difference if I go into government sector rather than private.
Okay. Okay. So, ma'am, as a job security, don't you think that having a job security, you will become irresponsible towards your work? You will become lazy because you have a job security. You don't have to do, means you will get your salary in your account. Either you will do hard work or you will do a normal work. or simply just a work?
I think
What do you think about that?
it doesn't depend on the kind of job that you have, but rather the kind of person that you are. So if you are a lazy
Okay,
person, you will stay lazy, whether you're in a government job or a private job. And you might try to
correct,
fool others in private job, or maybe you'll do work because of fear. But anyway, that won't be the best
correct,
work that you'll give. That won't be very productive. On the other hand, if you're a hardworking person, like you said, so you will do
mm,
work in whatever sector you go to. So I think I'll be able to do a good job.
correct,
Okay.
correct.
I,
And my second question,
yeah, please go ahead.
may I ask second question? Okay. My second question is, most of the people I have heard that you want a government job. Most of the people they want government job. But if we talk about the government service, so means if you talk about you, are you happy with the government service as you wanna be a government servant if you get chance?
I think that's a very debatable question. But I also feel that government has a lot of responsibility, and it is not just one person doing all the work. There's a group of people, right? So some people work,
Hmm.
as you said, they become lazy sometimes, and others who are hardworking, they keep working hard. So it's just about the balance that the government needs to maintain. And sometimes they do good things and they get appreciated for it. Sometimes they're not able to perform as well and we criticize them as well. So that happens whether you're in the government
Yes.
sector or in private sector. Okay,
Okay, ma'am. I think we are. Hmm.
we are done. And the
Okay.
way you spoke today was very good. I think there has been a great improvement from the first class that we started.
Thank you.
I noticed was you started using synonyms, different words, and you're not being very repetitive.
Yes.
Okay, so
Okay.
and
Thank you.
start watching English news because you're easily able to understand, right? When I speak or when you're speaking, you know what you're talking about. So you will be able to grasp
Yes,
it
ma'am.
better when you hear someone else talking in it. Preferably start from Indian news, okay? So like Indians who are speaking in English, and then you can move on to BBC or different platforms where native speakers are talking in English. Okay, so that's one advice for you.
Okay.
Your homework for tomorrow, we are going to discuss the life story of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. So keep some points
Okay.
ready because you're going to tell me the story about it, his life story.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
it was great talking.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Me too, ma'am. It was nice talking to you. Thank you so much for guiding me. Thank you so much.
Thank you.